easy, Rangoli.
Press the subscribe button for daily updates. Press the bell icon.
The world is big enough to satisfy everyone's needs, but will always be too small to satisfy everyone's greed. Our greatest ability as humans is not to change the world, but to change ourselves. There are 2 days in the year that we can not do anything, yesterday and tomorrow. The true measure of any society can be found in how it treats its most vulnerable members. You may never know what results come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. Where there is love, there is life. Relationships are based on 4 principles: respect, understanding, acceptance, and appreciation. Jai Hind.
Thanks for watching.